Okay, so this is MechanicUstaad.pk, and MechanicUstaad.pk is providing doorstep services for your cars, for your bikes, and for generators. So if you have any problem on the road or you have a periodic maintenance, you can call MechanicUstaad. If you talk about market size, like in last 5 years, we have around 6 million cars which have registered in Pakistan, and around 25 million bikes which have registered in Pakistan in last 5 years. If you talk about generators, that is like 38% increase every year in Pakistan in import. Competition and value proposition, like we have roadside mechanics who are our direct competitions in Pakistan. We have in Lahore, and we have some companies like Autogenie, like Sahulat. In Pakistan, we are providing service. In Karachi, we are providing services. So competition is not very tough, but the industry is growing. So we are getting more and more startups getting into the industries. And if you talk about value proposition, so there are people who are looking forward to have quality mechanics and quality parts inside their services.